Hello everyone, it's Katie here, and I'm excited to show you Gent, VividBoard, and Modell's updated showroom. This year, we really wanted to celebrate what's next while honoring the design intent we created with IA Studio last year when opening up our showroom. Before you can step into our showroom, Palette Wall, one of Modell's newest members of the Palette collection, sets the stage. While Palette Display functions best while dividing open spaces with a multifunctional solution, Palette Wall has the same personalization and collaborative features for permanent structures. Complementing the natural textured design of Palette Wall are Gent custom graphic glass boards, Aria and Harmony. Color matching, graphics, logos, and custom sizes are just a few of the services Gent provides to produce show-stopping glass boards. Transitioning from our hallway into our showroom, we really focused on our products as functional artwork. This year, we brought in more colors, textures, applications, and products into our showroom. The first thing you'll notice are a few new members to our Link Hex family. Introducing glass, fabric, and acoustic material hexes to our traditional painted steel collection allows for more applications and design choices. Next, we're excited to announce another product extension of our Stroll mobile glass boards, one of our most popular items. Our classic and new sizes feature custom graphics, color matching, and our tiered fabric program. Simplicity, Rome mobile whiteboards, custom graphic Aria glass board, and impression are all a fresh take on traditional whiteboards and mobiles. In contrast to our wallboards is Palette Mobile. Part of the extended Palette collection, Palette Mobile is designed to act as movable walls, collaboration on the go, and touchdown stations. Available with the same styles and accessories as Palette Display and Wall, which you saw in the hallway, the collection offers a multifunctional space division solution. Our M1 porcelain whiteboard, wrapped fabric board, Harmony glass board, and Link Wedge painted steel board showcases some of the different services Gent offers to fit your space, aesthetic, and budget. Now we're really excited to introduce you to Define by Modell, the centerpiece of our showroom. Define is paving the path for space division furniture with a variety of configurable units with different applications to fit your space. This arrangement features a 4-foot display unit, bench, and 4-foot collaboration unit with a glass board and tack board. Lastly, we have our VividBoard in Harmony, Aria, and classic patient room boards. These boards are fully customizable, and our in-house sales experts and VividBoard design team will work with you to create a design to help improve HCAP scores. To learn more about everything you saw, visit one of our branded websites or contact your local rep.